What's the deal, YouTube? So today I'm gonna be doing just unpackaging this hair that I got from Amazon. It's called When You. Actually the brand that I got it from was that word, but it says that for whatever reason. So yeah. So this is just the packaging there, and it comes with typical lashes, and then I got 3 bundles. I got all of this for $50 something, I don't know. Yeah, so I got a 10, a 12, and a 14. I got these short lengths because I'm about to make a wig, and that's what you guys are going to see me do. I'm going to bleach, dye the knots, all that good stuff. So I got a frontal too. Let's see how good this frontal looks. So, well, it's okay. It's not horrible. Like, I can't really judge it much because I haven't do too much of anything with it. But this is just what it looks like. You can tell it's pretty transparent. It's a little tint to it. I'm still gonna bleach the knots just to be on the safe side. You can never be too safe. Let's see. That's what it looks like. And then the back, it looks pretty jet black. These aren't necessarily brown bundles. You can see in the light, it's fairly black. And then the bundles, I just got straight bundles. It says that it's human version, unprocessed, typical what they all say, but this is just the bundle here. So I mean, it's rather soft. Like I said, it's black though. It's not brown like a normal. So this is just the bundle. Like I said, it's pretty black for the most part. It has some body. So I'm just bringing this shit around, but no, it has some body. I mean, it's pretty soft. I wear weave all the time, and I have friends that sell hair, so I can tell bullshit when I see it. And this is not raw at all. This is definitely black and not brown. You could tell if the hair is genuinely raw if it has a brown color to it, and I wasn't given the option to pick a color, so this is like just their natural color. So there it is. So all I'm gonna do first is show you guys how to bleach the knots, so let's get into it. Okay, so you're just gonna need a few things to bleach the knots. Of course, you're gonna need your frontal, and you're gonna need some type of developer. I just got this beauty supply one. It was literally $149. I got 50 because I don't like excuse me, waiting for this shit to process. So I got the highest one, but if you don't really want to damage your hair, then I would go probably 30 or 40, but I'm just gonna watch it and, you know, make sure I don't burn the hair. And then I just got 2 packs of bleach because I'm only gonna use literally a little bit for the frontal, and then the rest is gonna be to dye my bundles. And then of course you're gonna need your tint brush and your tint bowl. So let's go ahead and mix this up. So I'm just gonna, once again, I'm just gonna eyeball it to see how much to pour in. I like a more pasty consistency for to bleach my knots, so I'm just gonna put in some here, and then whoa, what the fuck, this is gonna be hilarious. Okay, so I'm putting in just a little bit more powder than usual. That's how I'm gonna get this pasty consistency, and I'm just gonna use this brush. This is my dummy towel, so you're gonna see me wiping shit on it and all that. So just gonna mix this in and add a little bit more liquid, and you can just go back and forth until you get the consistency that you want. frontal. Part is just so that the scalp of it, when you're parting, it looks like your scalp. So you don't want to like melt it down, like do like this. You don't want to act like it's a color process, because then it's gonna ruin the color for whatever you're trying to, if you're even trying to color your hair. If you're not, then you're gonna have like this weird orange shit all in these parts of your hair, and you don't want that. So just be sure to sit it on top of the net so that it'll color the net and not the net in the hair. So I'm just gonna pick it up like this, and be sure not to, this is your guide, so just be sure not to go past So this is what it looks like bleached. I actually kind of went to sleep on it and left the house and everything, so it probably processed a little bit more than I wanted to, but I don't know if you can tell through the scalp that that's what it looks like now. You can see, so it looks like it's pretty much my color now, so I'll take that minus that little color, but it's okay, we'll fix that, no problem. But this is just like, this is what the, here, let me see if I can like, I should have just set up my tripod, but I didn't. But this is just what the scalp looks like. You can tell. I'm a pluck and stuff too, but you know. Now I'm gonna color this so you guys can watch me do that. So this is the hair dyed. This is the color that I got. It's like orange, and I left some black in there, but it's mostly orange. Whoop.